Hello everybody, I'm Jeff and today we're going to talk about these window rain guards. Let's look what's inside the box and then we're going to go out to the car and we'll install it. So let's see what we have in here. Okay, everything is packed pretty well. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4 different pieces. So here we've got this bag, and inside the bag, let's open it up, see what we've got. You've got this manual, and it shows you how to do your installation. You've got some tape. You have some little metal tabs and an installation tool. So let's go out to the car and do the install. So to start the process, what we need to do is clean the inside of the window channels to make sure that there's no dust or dirt or debris in there. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a damp towel and we're going to put it inside the window ledge here like this, and we're going to come up and we're going to clean the inside of our window ledges. Okay, so you get it just inside, and you can see there's a lot of dirt there. We'll do it one more time. We'll do that on the front, and we're going to do this on all 4 sides. So we'll do this, then we'll come over here to the back window, and we'll do the same thing. We'll go inside, and we'll clean that out too. And what we'll do is we'll wait for it to dry, and then we'll start our installation. So I've got all my window channels cleaned out. They're all dry, they're ready to go. One thing I'm going to talk about though is these window clips. There's 8 clips that are like this that have this little ridge on them, and then there's 4 clips like this that don't have any ridge whatsoever. I'm not going to use these clips because I'm afraid they're going to scratch my windows. I have tint on my windows, and I don't want the metal edges of this to be scratching into my tint. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take this one out. This is the left front. So what we're going to do is we're going to take it out of the package first. Okay. And there's tape on here, as you can see, it's orange. Okay, and what we want to do is we want to remove this tape, and hopefully we get the tape off so the sticky stays on there. There's a extra roll of tape inside the package just in case you need it. I don't have really long fingernails, so it's kind of hard for me to do this. So I'm going to take all the tape off and then we'll be back. So now I've removed the tape, and what we're going to do is we're going to place this into the window channels. So you've got your rubber here, okay, and you're not going to put it in front of this rubber. See there, this? I'm going to put it behind this rubber. So what we're going to do is first, we're going to push this part right here into place. Then what we'll do is we'll come up here, we'll just kind of bend it a little bit and bring it up and push this into position like so. Push them all in, and it's going to go behind the rubber. Okay, okay. So this went in front. Okay. This is all going to go behind that rubber lip like so. Okay, push it in and up. Okay, and this one is installed. Okay, I'm gonna go back in. I'm gonna have to push this rubber into place. There we go. Okay, so now this one is in. That's what it looks like. Push this back up into position. Now, something that you're gonna wanna do is, after you have them all installed, roll up your windows, and they say to keep your windows rolled up for 48 hours. So now let's do our back one. And this is the back one. And what we're going to do is we're going to pull the tape off again. And me not having great nails, there we go. There's one. Two. Three. Come over here and push this into position. Slide it up. Push that in like so. And now what we'll do is we'll close the windows. So I'm going to repeat that on the other side, and then we'll be back. So now they're all in place. They look really, really nice. It's really a sleek look. And let's go to the other side of the car. And this is what they look like when the windows are open. I think it looks pretty snazzy. It adds a aerodynamic look to the car. So there you have it. We've installed our wind deflectors over the windows. They look really, really nice. And we'll see how long they last. Like I said, I didn't want to put in those metal tabs because I was afraid they were going to scratch the tint on my windows. So until next time, I'm Jeff with AZ Camera Reviews saying, please watch us, please like us, please share us, and most of all, please hit that subscribe button down below so we can continue to bring you videos like this. Bye-bye.